Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, I am going to do a new project. I am going to reupholster this stool. So I reupholstered this stool about 4 years ago when I started on YouTube, and now it's getting kind of old. I'm getting rid of the fur and I have another material. I mean, for me, spray painting sometimes in here, you know, you get some of the dust from spray paint and it's turning from white to gray, and it's just looking a little dated, you know, with the fur. Even though it's cute, I'm going to change it. I want it to match more so over here, my decor here with the dark, and normally I don't do brown, but just in case I have any type of, you know, a shoot to do, I just want to make sure it matches, so I don't need it anymore. Again, I'm really loving the fur. It's very comfortable, but it's time to make a change. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to change this. As you can see here, the material I'll be using is this beautiful dark brown and sort of like a deep burgundy, and it has gold stitching for like a diamond pattern. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be using Rust-Oleum metallic gold, and this is like bright shiny finish, really nice by Rust-Oleum. And I got this again, you know, from Home Goods. You're going to need a measuring tape, scissors, and I have a nail gun here, or stapler, electric stapler. Now the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is to remove all of the legs from the stool, and you see here that I have bling wrapped it. So of course I'm going to take that off, sand it down a little bit, and add, of course, the gold spray paint. And then of course I like to remove the backing. Now guys, when you do reupholster of your stuff, even something as simple as a stool, try to remove the original backing rather than just to wrap the whole material around the stool or the chair wherever you're upholstering. I think it looks much neater and more professional.
Face for the first time, I don't run away. We danced together till we got it right. Ups and downs through many days and nights. You appear to be my guiding light, and at the same time I realized, oh baby,
as you see, after I remove the backing, that I'm going to sit there and remove the staples, and as much as I can, I'm cutting off the fur. And you can see I did have a backing of a black and white before this, which was the original upholstery, which was the zebra print. As you can see, the foam, I do try to remove all other materials, guys, instead of piling it on one after another.
The dark like if we weren't scared, close to each other's backs without no fear. Hold on and waited for the sun to.
Now to add extra cushion to the seat, I'm going to add this mattress foam I got from Walmart from Mayday. Make sure that you measure carefully, because remember, measure twice, cut once, and then just check it to make sure that everything fits properly before you staple everything down.
Then be lonely, 'cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. I'm done with embrace. Oh, baby, as long as I got you. 'Cause I'm done with baby, as long as you want me to. is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah, yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Yeah, so I'm just dancing.
Now, after taking off all the excess material, there is many ways you can sort of do your corners. It's up to you how you do yours, but just make sure you tighten everything and tack everything down carefully.
I turn my head around to see if the stalker is you, but all I see is rain. And ooh, 'cause you were right all the time. And ooh, 'cause we are not fine. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah, yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Ooh, I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Know me. Take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with a no.
Now here I'm just, before I tack the bottom back to it, I want to make sure all the holes are exposed so the stool legs can fit in properly.
Don't bail out and leave.
Now for the size, I was actually going to put a strip down. That's why I put so many staples in. But I decided to use the tacks. But I'm not going to remove the staples because I don't want to damage the leather and just start all over again. So I'm just going to put the tacks on top of it. And since the stool is slow at the bottom, I don't think anyone's going to really notice too much of the difference.
We can do as we please. Don't listen to them as they preach. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Yes, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance.
Be able to get that and some of the black coming through. I kind of like that black kind of going through to give it that sort of rustic. As far as here, you have the black with the little gold coming through, and here you have the gold with the black coming through. All right, guys. Well, this baby needs a model. She looks really good. So let's get a real model up in here.
We don't need to act so strong. It's been too long.
So there she is. That's my model for the day. And I think this came out really, really nice. So there she goes. And I think, again, the gold. Okay, I think I lost my model, guys. All right, guys, that's a wrap. It's your Mooregirl. I will see you at the next video. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl.